Terra Camper. We are the off-road specialists in the camper van section. So we have two cars here, the T-Roc and the T-Cam, the T-Scout. So I'm going to show you the T-Roc at first. So it's a long traveling car for two persons. So we don't build family campers, we do off-road campers that are used also for everyday use. So we have a very special pop top, a full aluminium expedition pop top with the open sky window. We see it from the inside afterwards. So it's the roof is higher than the normal pop-up tops, so you can leave your mattress. We have the 8 cm mattress, and you can leave all your blanket and all your cushions in the roof when you close it. That's with a normal roofs not possible, so it has a lot more comfort and longer tours. We have special interior system. We do not build it with wood. It's a complete aluminium interior system. And the modules you see here, you can take them out of the car, so you can use the car in everyday use, up to 5 seats, or if you need an empty transporter, it's also possible. So the car is equipped with a compressor fridge with big slides for the kitchen, 2 flame cooker, a nice water system, and a lot of storage room, and so you can have really a comfortably journey also in the outback. A special thing of Terra Camper is we call it easy use system. That are the rails everywhere in the car, from the ground to the roof, and it's an airline rail. That's not the special thing, but we have our own fitting for this system, and we have a lot of components like this lights or bags. We have a thing where you can hang your clothes on. We have a lot of things. In the other car you see a holder for the paper, for the kitchen paper, so you can so you can create your car to every situation you're in very individually. Yeah, I think we'll go to the other car. That's the T-Scout. This is a off-road camper van with a maximum measured bed. So the bed is 1.60 m to 2 meters. So you can really have comfortably bed, and you can sleep also when the roof is not opened. So this is the ground layout for customers that want to travel also in towns or in winter conditions, and therefore they don't want to open the roof. So this is the reason why we have this very, very huge and comfortable bed. So, and to integrate all the nice, comfortably technique with such a huge bed, we have a very unnormal ground layout. So we work with a lot of drawers. There are 6 drawers in the car, 4 smaller ones, 2 to the front and 2 to the back, where you can put in your luggage. The nice thing is that you can reach all this room also from the top. So if you have a bad weather condition, you can grab your things also from the sliders from the back. And downstairs we have a very huge drawer, so it comes out 1.20 m, and this allows that you can use also the storage room that is in the back and in the. So all this luggage room is usable from the front. So you don't need to leave the car to get anything out of this component. There is the fridge. It's also a compressor fridge, and below here is the toilet. So you can really comfortably make your ride. Very unusual is our sink. So we don't install here a fixed sink. We have a very small thing. So you just have to do it like this. Then you connect the clutch here, and you can close the sliding door, so you can use it also from the inside. Yeah, it's very practical. Here you can put in your hand shower system, so you have a very comfortable way to use the water. So as you see here, there are cushions, so you can create out of the sliders your more seats to have a comfortable evening, and also out of this you can create a complete seating bench. Yeah. To create the bed, you just take out the slider again, and just put in the cushion, and then you're ready to sleep. So very fast bed building, so within a minute you can go to sleep. Yeah, that was a round to our two cars. So you're welcome at www.terracamper.de.
And what is the cost of these from the beginning price?
Yeah. So it depends very on the way we convert the car. So it's about 70,000 to 120,000 euros.
Yes. Okay, it's very good. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Der läuft dann gegen und du kannst tatsächlich hier auch I was thinking about